seva is yajna. And in the Bhagavad Gita, it is clearly stated that all yajnas and activities are to be conducted for the satisfaction of the Supreme Lord, the Yajna Purusha. He is the Yajna Purusha. He is Yajna. He is Vishnu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is the case also with the yoga system. So everything, Krishna has made it so clear here. This verse is actually so important when we go out in the material world. It's very important when the people put up so many arguments. You can always quote this verse. That Vasudev Paraveda, Vasudev Paramakha, Vasudev Para Yoga. All kinds of yoga, whether it's Hatha Yoga, all kinds, Dhyana Yoga, all yogas are actually meant for the reaching out to the Supreme Personality. Yoga means to get into touch with the Supreme Lord. Yoga actually is a word that means, Prabhupada mentions, that is a word that means that you get unified, you get connected. So yoga shabd, yoga word in Hindi, actually Sanskrit, it means that. The connection, you get connected. So here Prabhupada clearly mentions, this is the case also with the yoga systems. Yoga means to get into touch with the Supreme Lord. The process, however, includes several bodily features such as asanas, dhyana, pranayam, and meditation. And all of them are meant for concentrating upon the localized aspect of Vasudeva, represented as Paramatma. Paramatma realization is but a partial realization of Vasudeva. So we all know Krishna says, I am in your heart as the Paramatma. So Paramatma is a partial, Prabhupada mentions, it's a partial realization. It's not complete Krishna himself. So it's a partial realization of Vasudeva. And if one is successful in that attempt, one realizes Vasudeva in full. If you're conscious of your Paramatma in your heart and you actually purify your heart, Cheto Darpana Marjanam, so that is the process how we purify our heart. If you purify your heart, then what happens? Then you will have the full realization of Vasudeva. But by ill luck, most yogis are stranded by the power of mysticism and achieved through the bodily process. Ill-fated yogis are given a chance in the next birth by being placed in the families of good learned brahmanas or in the families of rich merchants in order to execute the unfinished task of Vasudeva realization.